Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use the average formula or function in Excel. As you can see, we have values, value 1 and value 2. As you can see, we have values, values A, value 2. Values A are in A cell. In A, values 1 are in A column. And value 2 are in B column, and here we need to find average of these two values. So double click here and we need to press equal sign from keyboard. Now type here A and you will see the average formula. You need to press equal sign and then from here into select average, and you will see that these two values are selected. Hit enter and done. So when you see the right sign, drag to the bottom and the average of these two values are calculated by autofill. In this way you can use average function formula to find the average value between two values like A2, value in A2 80, that is, and B2 that is 70, and you will get the result. Number 1. We will go to sum, bracket open, average, bracket open A2, that is cell, that is cell, and then range, and so this is the symbol column for range, E2, the formula is complete. So in this way you can average in Excel. So in this way you can use average function or formula in Excel. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.